Hello, wine enthusiasts. Buckle up as we embark on an exhilarating journey through the world's top wine exporting countries, where each sip tells a story of tradition, innovation, and passion. With 3 decades of exploring vineyards and tasting the finest bottles, I'm excited to guide you through the lush landscapes and rich histories of the world's premier wine producers. From the sun-drenched fields of France to the rolling hills of Italy, and beyond to the emerging stars of South America and Australia, each country has its unique flair and flavor profile. We'll explore how these regions have earned their prestigious reputations and what makes their wines stand out on the global stage. So, pour yourself a glass and get ready to discover the treasures these top wine exporting nations have to offer. Cheers to a global adventure in every bottle.